The noble Pilgrim would be a wealthy man, but he gave his fortune to the holy tomb. He stayed there a long time in great honor, which is why Safavids suffered loss. And if not for the great gut that hangs from him, the Turks would have made him pay for his bravery. Still he says he wants to go back there, but he's staying home instead, to make his handsome son the heir. These words were made by an Elias, who knew how to craft them better than Gauzum's, who's wider than a pillar, much wider. Manenz, if he'd stayed home and kept his coins, would have died rich and unremembered. Instead he dragged his belly to Jerusalem, and the Turks looked at him and calculated the price per pound of Frankish courage, and he felt their arithmetic in his gut, and decided his son should inherit after all. These words made by an Elias, who knew how to make them better than Gauzum's, who is wider than a pillar.